How to order from multiple places on Doordash. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in this video we will learn how we can order from multiple places on Doordash. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, you have to open up Doordash, then you can add items to your cart and then head over for the checkout and then place an order. So once you place your first order, Doordash will show an option that says want something else, pop-up. That's the double dash. It will let you add items from stores like 7-Eleven or Walgreens all in one delivery. So if you get that option, you could again order the items from other stores. But in case if you do not have that option, you could also head over with the manual workaround. And if you want food from 2 restaurants, you could place the first order. And once you're completed with your first order, immediately place the second order. And if the places are close, the orders might arrive together. So that's the another workaround. And in Doordash, you cannot add 2 restaurants into same cart. So double dash or back-to-back orders will still get you what you want. So that's the way to order from multiple places on Doordash, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more video.